the Sun style 30 form. Now, the very first movement, we're going to go ahead and just open our feet out. And the first movement is up. Notice my arms are long, my head is up, and my hands fall straight down and arc back towards my belly, up into the chest, and forward. You're going to want to do that a few times. A lot of people have the tendency to come in and then you lose track of the momentum. It's up, down, and around. You feel how that flows nicely. Up, down, around. Good. So here we are. We go up, down, around, and you want to shift your weight onto your left leg, step forward with the right, and push forward. Good. Back, inhale, exhale. Let me show you again from the side. We're here. We up, down, around. You'll shift into your left, step forward, push forward, inhale, exhale. There, from right behind so you can follow me. We rise up, go straight down, step forward and around, push, inhale, exhale. We'll do that again. Up, down, around, step forward, push forward, inhale, exhale. Let's do that again. Up, down, around, step, push, inhale, exhale. Good. And just to round it out, we'll do it from this side too. So we're up, down, around, forward, push, inhale, exhale. Excellent. Go ahead and pause the video and practice that a few times. If you don't get it, rewind. Up, down. You shift into the left, step forward with the right, push, inhale, exhale. Good. From here, you're going to link inhale, exhale to sinking into your right leg. We are aligned. Feel your weight here. You should be able to easily move. And you'll step out to the left. This can be a very small step, or it can be a great big step. So this can either be a very small step or a great big step, and you're going to shift your waist over. Notice that we're aligned here. We shift across as one knee bends, the other one straightens, and vice versa. We shift our weight straight across. Go ahead and do that a couple times. Shift back from the belly. The head comes, we're nicely aligned, over and over. Now, put the hands up and open. Good. There we go. From the back so you can follow along. We're here. We open, close. We shift into the right leg, align ourselves, step left, and as we shift across, we open our hands out. Good. We're back. We inhale, exhale, sink into the right, step left, shift the weight across, open the arms out. Good. We sink in, step left, shift across, and open the arms out. Good. We sink in, step, open as we shift.